Hello, everybody. So it is the first Tuesday of the month. Usually, if a month starts off on the first and it's a Tuesday, usually they wait till the next Tuesday. But okay, bye. They came out now. So if you head off to the Epic Marketplace today, if you go to free for the month, you're gonna get these. Boom, 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 boom. And if you go to permanently free collection, you're gonna get this low poly style. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the low poly style first. I mean, it's pretty cool, bruh. It's pretty cool. You get some, once again, low resolution assets, which are alright. I mean, it all adds to the same things. We've been getting like all of these things, and it's cool. It's cool. It's this kind of stuff. So I highly do recommend it. Get it while hot. I mean, they're free, and who knows? One day you could want to create a low polygon world, and man, in that collection thingy, I mean, there's just all of these low polys you can still download, which is pretty cool. So you get some cool assets, pretty damn cool. I mean, for a cool painterly kind of a world and stuff, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's not my thing. It's not my thing, but could be your thing. It's not my thing. Could be your thing. But it is pretty cool. Damn straight. It gives me that Monkey Island vibe, which, damn, best game on earth. Right, then let's go to these ones here. We finish with those. Then we get these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's have a look at what they is. They is. Clothes shoe store. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You get an entire store with, and you can pack them with clothes and stuff, which is, actually pretty damn cool. Making clothes like this, and I mean, it doesn't look too high resolution or too quality, but I think you could do something really cool with it. Still, though, I mean, if you putting together, I did something there, didn't I? God damn it. God damn there, boy. Pretty cool. Very cool, actually. I mean, you could do some cool malls with this, cool shops. I mean, if you putting clothes onto hangers and running a physics simulation every time so you can get that cloth, it's all done here for you. It's all done here for you. This saves you hours and hours of work, days of work. So this is pretty cool. Go get it. It's free. It's free, people. Yeah, man, look at that. That's pretty cool. Shoes, clothes, mannequins, all this kind of stuff. So kudos. Very, very, very cool. It's free. Go get it. It's beautiful. Then you get this thing, physical interaction system. It's pretty cool. More if you're into coding and stuff, if you want to do like interactable objects and pick things up and whatnot. You can see over here, it's like picking dynamic or physical objects up and dropping them and using them and interacting with them. So pretty cool, actually. I mean, if you're into your blueprints and your actual game making, and you don't just use Unreal for like cool pictures and cool videos and stuff, and you actually want to add some interaction to this, I mean, you could make a pretty cool puzzle game with something like this. Something like The Room or some escape game or point and click or something. It's pretty damn cool, and they give you all the assets to use. You can add your own assets, but all the interaction stuff, bam, it's all there. Pretty damn cool. There we go. If you're looking for a key or whatever, they got it all out in a nice map. Open up doors and stuff like that. Do that with that box. Do that with that lever. You know what I mean? Universal camera. This is pretty cool. So this is kind of like if you do a game and you want to control the camera in a game. If you want to zoom, if you want to scroll, if you want to do whatever you want, you can use this. And this is kind of what it does. You can scroll, you can precise mouse drag your camera, you can add all these interactions to your cam, okay? Rotate around pivot, which is really cool for a camera. Screen sliding. I mean, you can add so many interactions with this camera as inputs, and it is pretty damn cool. You can also add this to cinematic cameras, normal cameras. This is a pretty cool one. If you're doing follow the actor, it looks a little cray, but awesome stuff, man. Really, this I would probably use a lot of, and this is quite cool. And then you get the Loft office. Okay, there's no video for this one, but some really high and detailed assets which is pretty damn cool. It says it can be used for VR and stuff. Sure, I don't think it'll be used very well for like what is it called, the Quest 2 or something, anything that's portable, because there's, I mean, it's 380 or 60,000 verts just for like a cabinet. Kitchen is 170, half a million for a room. That's big numbers for something like the Quest 2 or whatever. So probably something like tethered VR or PC. I mean, the quality looks awesome. Fantastic assets and just awesome to have, man. Look how pretty that looks. So that's really cool. And that, mein Freunde, is, oh yeah, we got one more thing here. And this is the rainings, the raindrops. And I've got this before, which I absolutely love, man. If you want to add rain and raindrops to a scene and water spillage and all that kind of stuff, then this is it, man. This is awesome. I mean, over here you can see, where is it? He's got his whole thingy-mabobby set up here with all his stuff. Come on, buddy. There we go. All the different kinds. So you can have dripping water, things that go down, elements and all that stuff. You have full control. It's a material system. You drag and drop a material, which is really cool. Or you've got functions that you can add into your materials. And you can have water dripping down objects, water splashes on objects. I mean, it's really cool. I use this a lot. I love this asset. I mean, I use the one from Dynamic Sky now, but this one I also use a lot. The material functions are fantastic, and the setup materials are really cool too. So, really cool asset. If you want to look at that, awesome, man. If you want to add like some cool stuff to your, like a rain to your scenes and stuff, and you want things to actually interact, fantastic asset, man. So once again, all free. Go get them. No reason you shouldn't. Even if you don't use Unreal, go get them. You never know. One day, oh yeah, the decals of wet. This is wicked, man. This I use a lot. You can have decals of wetness and stuff. It's sweet. So go get them. Even if you don't use Unreal, just go get them. Log in. Look how that water runs off there, man. That is wicked, man. Go get the assets. Free. Okay? And if they're not made by Epic, you can use them in other programs. Obviously, the functionality of a lot of things only work in Unreal Engine, but if it's just the assets and stuff, go get them. Go use them. They're free. And if you don't use Unreal, go get them. One day, you will use Unreal. It's becoming standard, man. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Okay.